Hey everyone, this is Aisha. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my whole face is done except my lips. We are going to be reviewing the Fenty Stunna lips. I got 3 out of the 4 colors. I did not get the uninvited, which was black, because I have 2 black lipsticks and I don't even use those. So I didn't see the point of getting another black lipstick and not using it. It's very pretty though. If you're into black lipsticks, I would definitely pick it up. So she came out with, first, it was unveiled. This is dark brown nude color. Then she came out with Uncuffed, which is a mauve nude color. And then she came out with the Unbuttoned. Also, the last color she came out was the Uninvited, which is the black one that I said I did not pick up. What I will say about the Fenty lips is that even though it is a matte lip, it does not make your lips, to me at least, feel dry. I always put something under my lips, but I just feel like throughout the day, it doesn't make them super dry, but it stays on the lips, which is a good thing. So I'm going to go ahead and review these 3 colors for you guys, let you know at the end which one is my favorite. And again, please remember to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Okay, so I have to say Uncuffed, is that it? Uncuffed is my favorite. The mauve color is my favorite. I do like all 3. I just feel like with Uncuffed and Unbuttoned, you do have to wear some type of liner. Uncuffed, probably you really don't need that much of a liner. Definitely don't need one with Unveil. I feel like with this one, you definitely don't need a liner, especially if you're a brown girl. If you are going to get any of them, I would get this one. This one is so fall, it's so pretty and just so natural, and everyone I've seen on, even girls who are lighter, this color really goes well with them. So this is a very pretty color. Again, I thank you guys for watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.